In this video we're going to look at how we can start using a new font. So at default I think we can use about 15-20 different fonts that all computers have, but that's like Arial, Trebuchet and so on and so on. But if we want a cool new font, for example, that's not really used a lot, we can use Google, or you can type Google fonts. And all these fonts in here are basically free to use. And there are some that look alike and so on. So Roboto is quite popular. Something called Open Sans is popular. Let's take something let's try this one. PT Sans, that's varying from what we're using, I think. Open Sans Condensed, yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I located this, and you can again do whatever you want if you want to do something else. You just locate your font and then you click this plus icon right here, and then you click it, and you can see down here there's this little pop-up thingy, black box down here. If you click this, it's going to expand. Now this is an instruction of how you can actually start using this. So it's kind of like using Font Awesome. You need to have a link. You can do it like this, copy this here as a standard. This will go into your HTML, so copy this entire thing, go to your Visual Studio Code, go to your HTML, and just again below the link you do to your when you implement your Font Awesome, you just put this in as this. Or you can also do it another way if you feel more like it. There's one called Import here. You click that, and then the center line here between the two styles, you can copy this, and you can go to your CSS. And at the top of this, you just before your body, you just paste this in. So those are the two ways of doing this. Both work fine, there's no problem, it's just what you prefer. So I'm just keeping this because this is the last one I did. So right now I'm having a URL to this specific font here. It also tells me if I want to use this specific in CSS, I need to type this in. So I'm going to copy this line down here, go to my CSS, and I'm going to locate where I have font family. This is for the entire page. I'm just going to paste this over. So I'm going to using Open Sans Condense all over the page. Click Save, go back to your browser, go to your document and look at the text. And now you can see all the text change. So also in the boxes here. So now we're using a online font that can be shown by all computers, because they don't really need to have the font installed on their computer. Google are just actually showing it for us. So we're making the browser go to Google Fonts, check how it looks, and then show it in their browser.